1983 station wagon, 300TD turbo diesel. Hey, this hoopty, man. I love it. I love this thing. I love cars like that. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. So it's got a downpipe there. These didn't come with a converter or a particulate filter in 83. So we said, cool. We're going to put 2.5 inch all the way back on it. So that's what we did. Look, 2.5 inch all the way back to the back. We go custom bent. I had to put a bunch of hangers on it to make it stay up. There it is right there. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. As you guys can see, and he brought his own custom tip. So we put it on for him too. Check out that. Turned out he's going to be his off-road vehicle, he says. So I'm like, all right, cool. We got you. We'll make it nice and tucked up. So that's what we did. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. I hope you guys like it. Straight pipe turbo diesel 300TD. Love it. Give it gas or diesel. Rev it? Oh, that's cool. Again? Where the heck did you find this thing, bro? You got lucky. Sounds like a freaking F-250 in a Mercedes. Gotta back it out. That's awesome. Classic Mercedes views. I love it. Go ahead. Yeah, it's awesome. OLED exhaust addicts, guys, all the way in Nashville, Tennessee. Bring us anything, we'll work on it. As long as it has exhaust on it, we'll work on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. All 120 horsepower of raw turbo power from 1983 is about to take off. Who cares, man? It's a classic. Old but gold. Or silver in this matter. It's stick shift too.